night. CH. Long ass day, passed out on the grass, grassed out on the haze. Still got along with life in a strong ass way. No longer an ashtray. Open space, feel the wind. Ashes to ashes, dust to dust. Cigarettes can't wait to kill again. On my own island, Gilligan. Smiling, talking with skill again. Often I'm wildin'. Thoughts of my wildin' target. I wanna be who you think about. Think about me and scream and shout. Don't hate me no more, no reason to. I breeze through songs, see me through.
I've been thinking of me. I've been thinking of you. I've been thinking of me. I've been thinking of you.
I hope you're thinking of me. You know I've been drinking and breezing so fast with the pace. No orgasm, just hatred. Can't believe it either. Could it be from a diva? Never called a chick a skeezer to her face, and if I did, believe me, she was put in her place. But it's hard to believe me. I've been walking with Jeezy and them. Metaphor for the streets, all of the streets. Walking with me again and again. Going off on a beat, Ninth Wonder provided my hunger in silence. Yeah, wonderful rhyming. Just a lot of thoughts, I got a lot to get off.
I've been thinking of me. I've been thinking of you. I've been thinking of me. I've been thinking of you.
And I am never giving it away. Freedom plays, it's an instrument. Now listen to the day. Freedom plays as freedom pays. Give it away like you get it, and if you don't get it, let this free one play. Almost like 3-1 Trey, the cinnamon Eminem, who wants to play? Heavy than that, y'all niggas never were ready to rap. I got language in my back pocket, beside my wallet, how could I stop it? So I groove like CL to any female who tell me to stop it. And she never do that, the unfortunate reluctant celebrity's back.
I've been thinking of me. I've been thinking of you. I've been thinking of me. I've been thinking of you.